I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with tofu. First, let's talk about pressing. Tofu is like a sponge, full of water from its packaging. Removing this excess liquid is key to unlocking its full potential. You can use a dedicated tofu press or simply wrap it in a towel and place heavy items on top. Aim for at least 30 minutes of pressing to ensure it's ready to soak up all those delicious flavors. Once your tofu is pressed, it's time to infuse it with flavor. Marinades are your best friend here. You can marinate for as little as 30 minutes, but for a truly rich taste, let it soak overnight or even up to 2 days in the refrigerator. Ingredients like soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of acid like lime juice or vinegar work wonders. Don't forget a cornstarch coating for that irresistible crispiness. Now let's get cooking. There are several fantastic ways to prepare tofu. Baking is a hands-off method. Simply toss cubed, marinated tofu with a little oil and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden. For a quicker crisp, pan-fry your tofu in a skillet over medium-high heat for around 15 minutes, flipping until all sides are browned. Air frying also works beautifully, giving you crispy tofu in 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Tofu comes in various textures, each suited for different dishes. Extra firm tofu is your go-to for recipes where you want it to hold its shape, like stir-fries or grilling. Soft or silken tofu, with its delicate custard-like consistency, is excellent for blending into creamy sauces, smoothies, or even desserts. Super firm tofu, which requires no pressing, is fantastic for crumbling into scrambles or making plant-based nuggets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.